Said the answer. She said the correct word already before you now.
No. I got it. I got it.
No, I won't take that. This is cheating,
I
guys.
got it.
Guys, in the comment section, they're cheating.
Hey guys, welcome back to Yvonnelove Family Channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing once again a part 8 of learning Swedish with me. But it's gonna be a little twist because I've been teaching you both a long time.
Yeah.
So this time we're gonna be doing the opposite. I'm gonna be asking them questions in English, and they're gonna be translating it back in Swedish.
Man.
Comment down below if you think if they're successful to do this.
Yeah.
But before we get started, Mom and Dad, say shout out to the fans.
Hi everyone. Thanks for having us back again today.
Yeah, hello everyone. How you all doing? Hope you're having a good time. And thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing.
Yeah.
Thank you for getting us up to 5,000 subscribers. We are grateful.
Yeah, we are.
Thank you. But don't stop turning on the notification bells.
Yeah.
Clicking on the thumbs up buttons and commenting and sharing our videos. We love you guys. And so, just as she has said, there's a twist, and I guess, do you think we can pass this
My
test?
heart is just pounding here.
My God. I don't, but I think I will try. At least we've been learning a lot of Swedish.
Yeah.
Whereas, so now it's time to put it in action. Let's see how good we can go. So, shoot your shot, girl. So, but first, share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and those that have subscribed, we say thank you.
Okay, my first question goes to Mom. Okay, how do you say I'm going outside to play?
Jag vill gå ut leka.
You
Did I get
almost
it
got
right?
it. Almost.
Okay, let me repeat the phrase.
Okay.
Jag behöver gå ut till leka.
Not really. You got maybe 5 out of 10.
Aww.
The real way.
Pass it to him so if he can answer it.
Okay.
I was waiting to skip that question.
Okay, I'm gonna say a different.
No, let him answer this one. If
Jag
he
vill
can't,
gå
then he can.
ute på leka.
Mine is better, right?
You got a 3 out of 10.
Okay, so you.
Okay, can you correct
correct
us
us
that,
then.
please?
Jag vill gå ut och leka.
Aha.
Jag vill gå ut på leka.
Och
Och leka.
But
Jag vill gå ut och leka.
yeah.
yeah, but if you say okleka is like
And play.
I'm going outside and play.
play, not to
Jag
play.
vill gå ut och
Okay.
leka.
Okay, I was
Jag
just.
vill gå ut och leka. Yeah, I got it.
Jag vill gå ut och leka.
Okay, so I got mommy's question. I got that man for myself, right? Beauty.
Okay. Now is the next question.
To him.
Okay, let's continue this.
Okay.
Okay. I want to watch TV.
Jag vill kolla TV.
Almost, you got
Ja.
7 out of 10.
Jag vill kolla TV. No.
No.
Okay, can I try? Jag vill titta på TV.
9 out of 10.
Okay.
You only got 1 mistake.
Oh, okay, let me try again. Jag vill gå Titapotieve.
2 mistakes.
Oh my God. Okay.
I'll stop.
Okay, the real way you have to say it is Jag vill kolla på TV.
Okay.
Okay. But what did you say? Did you say kola or?
I think I said that.
Yeah, he said it, but you didn't put the phrase correctly.
Portiave.
Is that what he said? Let's do the repeat.
Actually, you said that, but you put it in like the
Opposite. Okay.
Okay. Everyone is really doing a good job, guys. Yeah. Okay.
Next
on.
question. I think I'll get this one. Bring it on. Bring it on.
Okay. Should I get a different question?
Of course, different question.
Okay. I am 8 years old. I have 3 sisters.
You should have just leave it that. That I am 8 years old. It's a short sentence. Okay, let me try. Yoho ota o ok. Yoho trea siskon. Ne, felot. Sorry. Let me repeat it.
Okay.
Yoho ota o ok. Yoho trea sisters.
Wait, I didn't think I had this.
That's Swedish glitch. 3 sisters.
But I guess sisters is sisters.
You have 1 wrong. 1 wrong.
I almost got it. Okay, pass
Okay,
it to
8
him.
out of 10.
Alright, pass it the question to him then.
Should I do a different question?
No, answer.
different
No. Answer the question.
I did a question.
Okay. Jag är 8 år. Också jag är 3 syskon.
Wrong.
Too wrong.
And you get 7
Okay.
out of 10.
Can you say the right way then? So we can...
Jag är 8 år.
Or. Okay.
Och
Okay.
jag har 3 syskon.
Look at how the ria is just coming out. It doesn't come out with mine.
Answer is so good enough.
Is it hot? Jag är 8 år och jag har
3 syskon.
Syskon is siblings, right?
Yeah.
But is it the same like sisters and siblings? Because I thought like sisters is sisters.
Sister
Yeah, sister.
is like,
1 sister.
yeah.
Okay, and 3 sisters. Then you have to say 4.
Syskon. Okay. So
Now I get it.
one is sister. Then when it's more than 1 sibling, you have syskon. Okay.
Guys, if you're in Sweden and you're going to SFI, guys, if you don't know what SFI is, it's a school, it's a language school where you go to learn languages. So, guys, if you're in Sweden and you've been put on pause to have a class in SFI, don't just worry. Just send us a DM and she will be available. Because this is like going to SFE, like when you go to the school, the way they teach you. So it's just similar to what she's doing with us. So give her a thumbs up if you think she's doing a good job, guys. Yeah, so next question, shoot to him.
Okay.
Don't feel pity for him. Don't just look at his face and say, oh, this is my daddy, let me give him a simple question. No.
You know the drill. You know the deal.
That's unacceptable.
You know the deal.
Okay. Jag har...
No, you have to say the name. Okay, I already know that.
Okay. I have 8 flowers and I give away 2.
Jag har 8 blommor. Guys, I'm sweating right now. I'm sweating like this.
Just difficult on that thing.
Okay. Jag är 8 blommor. Jag giveaway 2.
But I'm just laughing at his mistake.
Jag giveaway 2. Okay, how do you say giveaway?
Alright, let me try. Let me try. Oh, no, I've got it. I've got it. The link that I wanted. Okay. Is it how many flowers?
8.
Okay. Jag har 8 blommor och jag tar bort 2.
One mistake.
Inside this one that I've left so hard.
I don't even have to think about it. Wait, I know it already.
Okay.
Alright, correct us, teacher, Yvonnelove.
Jag har 8 blommor och jag ger bort 2.
Lia bort.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we've been speaking all this way is just garbage.
We have been speaking some jargons, guys. Oh my god.
You guys have been like training for years.
Yeah, but
Goodness. But this was so, it's like we are in SFE grade 1 and she's taking us, she's bringing questions from grade 3 or something. It's like we're in primary 1, like class 1, and so someone is bringing questions from class 6. Guys, please, my friends, support me if you think I'm right. The questions are then difficult.
oh my god.
Please make the sentences short
Okay.
so we can answer.
It's gonna be hard for sure.
Okay, not
Okay.
hard. Guys, give us a big thumbs
Subscribe.
up. And
Subscribe if you think. Subscribe if you're on my side. Subscribe.
Yeah.
If you're on my side and you think I'm doing the right thing.
She said the right thing. Yeah.
You're always doing the right thing, girl. All right, next question.
I have 9 apples and I give 3 to my cousin.
Oh, I was thinking, processing how to say
Me, I didn't understand.
I'm just processing how to say just the apples, and she's adding more. All right, let me try. And this one I know I'll fail. All right,
Make it shorter. Make it shorter.
Make the section shorter, girl.
Okay, a little bit shorter. I have 9 apples. I give 3 to my friend.
Jag har 9 äpplen och den går inte. I don't know the word, I'm sorry.
You have...
No, he can answer.
Okay, I'm
Pass it to him.
Okay.
Maybe it's just internally knowledgeable.
Smash this.
Smash
I'm gonna
it.
smash this.
Smash it, smash it.
This is
Smash
so
it.
easy for me.
Go on, bring it
It's so
up.
easy.
Bring it
But
up.
I think what we should do is just give us another question. I think it's too easy for me. I want Excel. Where's Excel? Excel can even answer this question. But it's okay. It's okay. Just bring up another question.
Give us the answer. First, because you have to give the audience the answer. You don't know it.
Okay. Jag har 9 äpplen. Jag ger 2 till min kompis.
That's exactly what I was about to say.
Guys,
I thought I'm gonna smash it. Exactly what I'm about to say, guys.
Leave it in the comment section.
It's easy.
It's easy. I need
very
to
easy
say.
to say. Yeah, it's very. I just want her to say because she's the teacher, you know.
That's a big lie.
Moving on, next question. Now we're gonna be starting with you. Yeah. Okay. My friend has 3 dogs.
Okay. Me.
You want us to just shorten the question.
Wait, I
this
have much more left.
Well,
I've never. This is just the first part. I have like 100 more to go.
Oh my God.
Okay.
She wants to finish us in this first lesson.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be making a easy question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very easy sentence.
Uh-huh.
Very, 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 very easy sentence.
Alright, let's
Okay,
see.
I'm gonna start with you.
Okay.
Okay. I want to get food from the kitchen.
That's easy. That's very easy. What haven't you asked this long time ago? Jag vill hämta mat från köket.
Oh. That's so
I got it.
easy, right?
Wait.
Jag vill hämta mat från köket.
One wrong. Your turn.
Jag måste hämta mat från köket.
2 wrong.
That's
The
wrong.
proper way to say it,
Yes.
as you can actually say the way that you said, but it's more likely to use to.
Jag
Instead
vill
of
ta.
hämta.
Jag vill ta mat
The word escaped me.
köket.
It escaped me. I wanted to say it like
Jag
that.
vill ta mat från köket.
Jag
Okay.
vill ta
Mat
mat.
från köket.
Okay, I'm tired. I need to go and do my stuff. So I'm done teaching you guys this lesson.
Okay.
And Mom and Dad, say shout out to the fans.
Guys, this is a tough one today. It's really tough. She was just bombarding us. Whoa, but it was fun. We had fun. At least it helps us to learn more better so we can communicate outside and yeah, it's good, right? Am I right?
Absolutely. She's really done a great job trying to help us to improve on our Swedish, which is good. Very good job, I must say, darling. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you
You're
for helping us.
welcome.
Yeah. And for you watching over there, thank you for staying tuned to us. Thank you for watching. Hope you like our episodes and continue to give us some likes and say it in the comment section. What do you like about these? Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in our next episode.
And once again, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
So you always get a notification when we upload a new video.
Yeah.
All
Thank you guys for
right.
watching.
See you.
Bye.